Good morning. Today we are going to start explaining the first lesson, which is powers. Let us start with this activity. If I am asking you to multiply 5 by itself 2 times, so you write 5 times 5 and you compute the answer. If I'm asking you to multiply 5 by itself 3 times, so you write 5 times 5 times 5. If I'm asking you to multiply 5 by itself 4 times, so you write 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 4 times. What if I'm asking you to multiply 5 by itself 10 times or 20 times? So it takes time and the expression will be very long. For this, we are going to learn a simpler method in order to write multiplication of a number by itself many times. In order to know this method, you have to ask yourself these two questions. The first question is, what is the number being multiplied over and over again? In the first case, or in all the cases here, in this example, we are multiplying the number 5. So we write 5 in this square, 5. In all the cases, we are multiplying 5 by itself. The second question is, how many 5s are being multiplied together? Let's start with the first one. Here we have 1, 2. So we are multiplying 5 by itself 2 times. Here 1, 2, 3. So we are multiplying 5 3 times. Here 4 times. Here 10 times. And here 20 times. So look at this writing here. It is very short. It expresses the multiplication of 5 by itself as many times as we want. Here, multiplying 5 by itself 2 times. Here 3 times. Here 4. Here 10. Here 20. So this is what we call its power. We say this number is 5 to the power 2, which means we are multiplying 5 by itself 2 times. Here we say 5 to the power 3, which means we are multiplying 5 by itself 3 times. Here we say 5 to the power 4, so we are multiplying 5 by itself 4 times. And here we say 5 to the power 10, so we are multiplying 5 by itself 10 times. And here 5 to the power 20, so we are multiplying 5 by itself 20 times. Note, 5 here is called the base, and the number at the top corner, which are here 2, 3, 4, 10, and 20, are called exponents. So 5 is called the base of the power, and the number at the top corner is called the exponent or the power. Definition: the product of a positive number a by itself n times, where n is a natural number, is written a to the power n. So we use this writing, which is a to the power n, if we are multiplying the same number by itself n times. N is a natural number, which means a positive number without points. That means a to the power n is equal to a times a times a, etc. times a n times. N is called the exponent and a is called the base. For example, 3 to the power 4. Here the base is 3 and the exponent or the power is 4. So we are multiplying 3 by itself 4 times. Look, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 4 times. The answer is 81. The second example, 7 to the power 2. The base is 7, the exponent is 2. We are multiplying 7 by itself 2 times. So the answer is 7 times 7, so it's equal to 49. In the third example, 4 to the power 3 or 4 exponent 3, it's the same meaning. 4 power 3 or 4 exponent 3, it means 4 and we write at the top corner 3. So 4 to the power 3. It's equal to 4 times 4 times 4 3 times, and the answer is 64. Here are some rules for computation or calculation. The first rule is a to the power 1 is equal to a. Every number which we raise it to the power 1, so we are multiplying it by itself only one time. So the answer is a. The second rule is a to the power 0 is equal to 1. Any number raised to the power 0, its answer is 1, except if it's equal to 0. So a must be different from 0. 0 to the power 0, we can't find its answer for this here. The third property is a to the power m times a to the power n. If we have two numbers having the same base but different powers, we keep the base and we add the powers. So the answer will be a to the power m plus n. Let's try to solve these two examples. Example 1. Compute or calculate. Part 1. 6 to the power 2 or 6 exponent 2. We can also say 6 square. If the power is 2, we can read it as a square. So the solution is 6 to the power 2 means we are multiplying 6 by itself 2 times. So it's equal to 6 times 6 equal to 36. Part 2. 25 to the power 1 is equal to 25. Because any number we raise it to the power 1, it stays the same because we are multiplying it by itself only one time. Part 3. 10,000 to the power 0. We have taken that any number to the power 0, its answer is 1. So here the answer is 1. Part 4. 10 to the power 3. We can also say 10 cube. If the power is 3, we can read it as a cube. So 10 to the power 3, we are multiplying 10 by itself 3 times. So it's equal to 10 times 10 times 10 equal to 1000. Example 2. Write in the form of one power. Part 1. 2 to the power 3 times 2 to the power 4. Part 2. 5 to the power 4 times 5 to the power 2. Part 3. 3 to the power 5 times 3 to the power 8 times 363.6 power 0. Only I want to explain the question. Write in the form of one power means that in the answer we must have only one base and only one exponent. The solution is the first part, 2 to the power 3 or 2 cube times 2 to the power 4. Here the two numbers have the same base. The base is 2, but different powers. So applying the rule, we will keep the base the same and we add the powers or the exponents. So here the answer is equal to, we keep the base, which is 2, and we add the exponents. So we add 3 plus 4 So the answer will be 2 to the power 7. So the answer is in the form of one power. In this answer, we have only one power, only one base and one exponent. Part 2, 5 to the power 4 times 5 to the power 2, or 5 square. So as we notice, here also we have the same base but different powers or exponents. So we write, we keep the base, which is 5, and we add the exponents. So 4 plus 2. The answer will be 5. 4 plus 2 is 6 to the power 6. So also the answer is in the form of one power. Part 3. 3 to the power 5 times 3 to the power 8 times 363.6 to the power 0. Look at the first two numbers. Here we have the same base but different exponents. So we keep the base, which is 3, and we add the exponents. The exponents are 5 and 8, so 5 plus 8. We still have 363.6 power 0. As you know, any number to the power 0, its answer is 1. So we put, instead of 363.6 power 0, we put 1. Okay? So 3 to the power 5 plus 8 is 13. So we get here 3 to the power 13 times 1. So the answer will stay the same, 3 to the power 13. We have written it as a form of one power. Till here, we reach the end of our session for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.